Vive, simple scalable wireless lighting controls for new and existing commercial buildings. Today, we're unboxing a ceiling sensor. This device is part of a Vive system. Vive works as a simple system. You can create a Vive system in 3 simple steps. Step 1, choose load controllers. Step 2, choose personal controls. And step 3, choose sensors. Step 3 is choosing sensors. Now, let's do some unboxing. Lutron occupancy sensors come as ceiling mounted, wall mounted, corner mounted, or hallway mounted. I'm unboxing the very popular ceiling mounted option. Inside, you'll find the sensor, a battery to power it, a mounting wire for dropped ceilings, some screws and anchors for solid ceilings, and the instruction manual. This sensor requires no wiring and operates at 9 meters from load controllers through typical construction material. It can be mounted up to 3.7 meters high and covers up to 62.4 meters square space. This PIR-based ceiling sensor features a special sensitivity capability, a Lutron patented technology called XCT. The lights will no longer turn off when you're still in the room. There are buttons on the back to set it up as occupancy mode, absent detection only, or my favorite low light level, which turns on the lights only when it's dark. You can have as many as 10 of these sensors talking to one load controller. That's flexible enough for any shape of corridor or room. This sensor is completely wire-free. You can count on it always working through Lutron's ultra-reliable Clear Connect wireless protocol, and the batteries are guaranteed for up to 10 years. This product is perfect for any commercial environment, old and new.